Got a hole up in my pants. Tried to take me out. Here's paint. Tried to take me out. Here's paint. When you bust in that spray, I already know I got the AK. I already know Yank ain't gonna play. Pull up at your block, I'ma with my AK. I'ma shoot your head with my glock. I already know it's at 12 o'clock. I already know I ain't gonna play with you. I'ma shoot you in the head, make you like Fred. Now get it back to DJ. Ain't got time to play with you today. I already know I'm yanking, I'm not TV. You already know I'ma play. I already know TV ain't gonna play. You already know fuck TV. I already know fuck Jay-Z. Hold on, dang. Jay-Z, it's my nigga though. Don't forget about NBA Youngboy, that's my nigga. Yeah. I pull up in back in the spray. I already know I got my AK. I already know I'm not TK, so get out my face. I'm not Baby Ray. I'm not Big Ray. Get out my face. I'm not playing with you today. I'ma shoot you with my AK. I'ma shoot you with my Glock at 12 o'clock. Ain't gonna play with you today. I already know. Got my Glock. I'ma shoot you at 12 o'clock. I already know I'm not gonna play. I'ma shoot you with my AK. I already know I can see y'all niggas going in the woods. I already know my play. I already know I run up on you. I already know I come on you. Hit him in the head. Hit him in the mouth with the AK. All on you. Nigga go home crying like a little girl. Already wanted. I ain't gonna play with you though. Hit you in the head like fro-yo. I'ma eat my fro-yo like it's today. You already know I'm not gonna play. And I got my AK. You already know I'm a little kid. Rapping like Jay-Z. You already know my name not AK. So yeah, on my face. I ain't got time to play. I already know. My AK. Walking up in them shit. I ain't gonna play. I know, on probation though. I already know I ain't got time to play. Gotta stay in the house, I gotta get in that twin. I already know I ain't got time to play. I already know it's not Yank and that TK. I already know it's just me and you. I already know my name not TK. I already know that nigga can rap though. I already know. I ain't got time to play. I already know I hit you in the head, make it like Fred, the back of his head. I ain't gonna play with you like this though. I already know my name ain't TV though. I already know I'm just a little kid though. I already know I'm just 10-year-old. So hold on. Shoot you in the head, make it look like Fred, back of his head though. And I shoot you with the Glock at 12 o'clock. I already know I'm not shoot you with my AK. I'm not playing with you today, so get out my face because I'm not taking. Yeah, simple as that. I already know.